If I had to build my body again from zero, I would never start with random exercises, because 90% of beginners make mistakes that slow down their progress. In this video, I'll show you the exact full body beginner workout you can do at home without a gym. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is specially for beginners. If you feel skinny, feel weak, or want to start fitness at home, then this workout is perfect for you. Most beginners copy advanced workouts from YouTube, 100 push-up challenges, crazy ab workouts, intense training. Then after 3 days, they quit. But real progress starts with simple basics. First, let's activate the body. This will increase your heart rate and warm up your body. Now squats. If you have balance problems, use a chair for support. For beginners, wall push-ups are amazing. They help build chest and arm strength. If you already have a little strength, try knee push-ups. Keep the movement slow and controlled. To build core strength, do planks. Your abs will shake, and that's progress. Now the final fat-burning exercise. This works your entire body. Listen. Building your body is not the hard part. The hard part is staying disciplined every day. You don't need a perfect diet or a fancy gym. You only need daily workouts, proper sleep, and patience. I challenge you. Follow this workout for 21 days. You'll feel stronger, improve your stamina, and gain more confidence. If you're ready to start your transformation, comment Day 1 and subscribe to the channel.